Hey, hello. So, Thomas Young, a follower on the YouTube channel, that is, he's always commenting, and he said, "Well, congratulations with your amount of followers." And I completely forgot. Of course, I've seen that it was nearing the 6K, but last few weeks it went really fast. I don't know why. Probably I made something people like. I don't know. But since I received some magnet, well, not only that reason, but it helps. I received some magnets from one viewer that did not go through building something. I wanted to give away some of the magnet because, well, 6K. I'll be giving away 2 rolls. 2 rolls of my rubber magnet. Well, my rubber magnet, the ones I use. So I'll get it out. It's the unmodified, just normal magnet. I did not change anything. I did not cut it down. And I just taped it up this morning. So I was cleaning my house. But now, yeah, I can do it again. These 8.5 millimeters wide, 3 millimeters thick. You can use this to make, for instance, the planer I made, the big guns. They use the unmodified magnet. You can cut it down if you want, like making it less wide. I'll be giving away 2 of these rolls. And I should weigh this up. And shipping will be free. I'll pay for shipping in Europe at least. In other pieces of the world, I might do 50-50 or something because it's hefty. And yeah, I do not have any money. I only have magnets, so I can give away magnets, but not so much I can give away money because it's something I lack. Not sure if this is rated to hold this. Probably it's too heavy. Who knows? So a roll is around 4.5 kilos. So you can imagine if you would use UPS or something, that's gonna be really expensive. Let's make it a week from now. So it's Friday. You have the time to reply to you have a week to reply on the video. Then I'll make a list and do a random number generator thingy. Either live or in a video. And then 2 people will come out that will receive one of these rolls. If you're in Europe, I'll pay for shipping, which might come back to hurt me because I have no clue how expensive that is. And if you're outside Europe, we have to come up with a plan. Yeah. So these are not useful for tweeters this size, but they are useful for, well, the big guns that I use with many other kinds of loudspeakers, and you can play around with it. You can do whatever you want with it, of course. You can set it on fire or put it on some perforated metal and buy some wires from wires.co.uk, for instance, and make a classic Magnapan base panel or whatever. It's up to you. But yeah, this is something I wanted to do and I completely forgot. And it's not in frame, so. One of these wheel barrels, slightly bigger. 2 I'll give away. Leave a comment in this video, and next Friday I'll check how many comments there are and I'll collect the names, put them in a list, and do a random number generation thingy to pick 1. And then, well, we have some contact and we'll manage. So, sorted that out because I completely forgot. Leave your comments if you want one of these rolls. And I'll see you next time. And I probably will make another video today because I had the huge ribbons standing near my big guns. because the previous video I was talking about different kind of ribbons I could use, and this is one of them. So this is the one I talked about that is rather expensive if you take into account that it uses double magnets on each side, ferrite ones, that are cheap, or relatively cheap, but if you use so many it becomes still expensive. And these are not good in mid-range playing. They don't like that very much. Anyhow, this is the video about the magnets. And well, leave your comments for a nice roll of pristine magnet. 50 meters long. Quite a distance. By the way, the big guns uses exactly one of those rolls. So you could make a set with the amount of magnet. It will be only base and mid-range, so you have to come up with a treater design yourself. See you later. Bye.